गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज फादर्स डे है, तो ये इंस्टेंटली ख्याल आया मेरे जहन में कि मेरी जो भी मैंने सीखा है, मैं जो भी हूँ, वो मेरे पहले उस्ताद, दोस्त, गाइड, फादर, अपने वालिद से मोहतरम से सीखा है, मरहूम हाजी मोहम्मद हामिदुल्लाह साहब। और इस ने मुझे आज के मौजू पे बोलने का इंस्पिरेशन भी दिया। सो टुडे आई विल बी टॉकिंग ऑन पर्सनैलिटी। Although there have been millions of speakers, and I have also spoken. You must have heard so many people on personality and personality development. मगर आज मैं बात करूँगा पर्सनैलिटी जो मैंने अपने वालिद से सीखी और मैं काफ़ी कारगर रहा। तो मेरे दोस्त, you must have heard often it's said personality, shakhsiyat, that someone that he or she has a good personality. Perhaps you wonder then what the term good meant in that context and what exactly personality means. अच्छी शख्सियत, ये अच्छी क्या चीज़ है और शख्सियत क्या चीज़ है, और किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में उसको अच्छी शख्सियत का इंसान कहा गया। तो यह जहन में ख्याल आना लाजमी है कि क्या वो कहीं वो पर्सनैलिटी या शख्सियत के सम टोटल ऑफ व्हाट अ पर्सन इज इट दैट द पर्सनैलिटी, द इंप्रेशन ही और शी हैज ऑन यू, इज दैट द पर्सनैलिटी? एंड दैट विल इंक्लूड ऑल हिज qualities of mind and heart that the person possesses. His or उसका appearance, his or her appearance, उसकी आवाज़ कैसी है, उसके सेंस ऑफ ड्रेसिंग क्या है, कपड़े पहनने का अंदाज क्या है, बात करने का तरीका क्या है, उसकी मैनरिज्म क्या है, स्टाइल क्या है, स्पीच क्या है, बिहेवियर, ऑल दिस पुट टुगेदर आपको लगता है शायद यही शख्सियत है। माई फ्रेंड रिमेंबर, मेरे वालिद ने मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ सिखाई, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, एंड आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस इट प्रैक्टिकली टू, दैट देयर इज नो रिजिड डेफिनेशन ऑफ personality. There can be 100,000 types of personalities, all of them striking in some way, but all of them different from one another. And they can all be appealing or as a good personality, each in its own way. Now what do you get confused? There is no single factor which defines a personality. And my father used to tell very beautiful thing. In deciding a personality, in building anybody's personality, there are only two important factors which play a part in acquiring what is called personality. And the first in that is the heredity, the genes you get from your parents, the traits you get from your ancestors, things, the characters you inherited either from your parents or from ancestors. And second thing is the environment in which you live and which influences the way your personality develops. पहली चीज़ जो आपको जीन्स में, आपके खून, आपकी नस्ल, आपके ख़ानदान से मिली, और दूसरी वो माशरा, वो इन्वायरमेंट, जिन सराउंडिंग्स में, जिनके साथ आपने परवरिश पाई, उस माहौल में, ये दो चीज़ें डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर होती हैं इन ब्रिंगिंग अ पर्सनैलिटी और मेकिंग अ पर्सनैलिटी, और शख्सियत को बनने या बिगड़ने में। While your inherited traits and to a great extent your environment too are factors over which you can have no control, there is another factor in the building of personality over which you do have a control, and that is your personal factor. How much you respond to two factors I've said, how much you are aware and how much you want to really concerned about it. You are just ignorant and not concerned what is happening, let it happen, then you are a loser. That's why what you can do to make use of your inherited traits and your own special environment to help you build your personality. It's entirely possible to make them both work in your favor and for you, and you are solely responsible, my friend. You can make it, you can become better, you can become impressive, you can become effective with total disregard to your personal and emotional state of mind at any point of time. All this, all that, it calls for first to really want to become a worthwhile personality. कि आप अच्छे इंसान बनना चाहते हैं, अपनी शख्सियत को निखारना चाहते हैं, आपका कंसर्न, and then to be willing to put in all the hard work that is needed to do it. तो उन तमाम बुरी हैबिट्स को, उन चीज़ों को जो आपकी पर्सनालिटी को, आपकी शख्सियत को उभरने में रुकावट है, उनको शिद्दत के साथ, पूरी कोशिश के साथ उनको दूर करना. Well, how does one go about it? I say look within yourself first and try to discover what your own special capabilities, potential are, which will help you to turn both your inherited traits and your environment to your advantage. But when you have looked within and have seen what kind of person you really are, then think of the type of person you would really like to be. It might sometimes happen that you get discouraged because every time the environment is not supporting you. There are family pressures, the emotional pressures, social pressures, peer pressures, so many things working around. So you are most likely to get digressed, bogged down, you give up. Don't do that. You be absolutely obstinate, जिद्दी हो जाओ और शिद्दत के साथ कोशिश बरकरार रखो कि you got to be good. Now, if that is the case, it might sometimes happen that you get impressed by somebody else and you're not able to acquire those good qualities. My friend, that is the time you should pull yourself and decide with all your willpower you can muster that you are going to do your very best to make yourself more like a person you want to be. My friends, remember, there are several ways which you can do this. The first is to work hard at your own strong points, whatever you have. You might have inherited a flair for drawing, sketching, flair for music, or any other artistic thing or whatever skill. Well, my friend, build up your personality using that strong asset as the launching pad. There's so many openings for one with a talent such as yours. You can study art or sculpture, or you can learn fashion designing or interior decoration. There is no limit to the things you can do once you begin to make your assets work for you. And in time you will become a really notable personality, my friend. The next thing you could do is to try and get rid of your limitations, or at least try to diminish them as far as you can. There is a way always to help you to do this and become what you want to become. Remember, all these things what I am telling, it depends absolutely on you and not on any external factor. Like even if you want to emulate somebody, I say, some good quality from someone. If I'm a lazy person and I see my friend who is very active, very agile, and he does all his work in time, so सिर्फ ये ख्याल आना कि मैं भी उस जैसा बन जाऊं, ये ख्याल काफ़ी नहीं है. मुझको उस खूबी को अपनी ज़िंदगी में शामिल करना होगा, अपने आप को फोर्स करना होगा, उठना होगा, हर काम को वक्त से करना होगा, उसको सीखना होगा और अलर्ट रहना पड़ेगा. अपने इस लेजीनेस, आलसपन को त्यागना होगा. I will get that quality while I retain my own person. Pick up the good things from others, but don't become like them. You should integrate in your own personality without losing your identity. My father used to say very repeatedly, very one thing very clearly, my friend, and I believe very, very with conviction that do not copy from others any of the superficial and incidental characteristics that might form part of their personalities and which might strike you as appealing. भाई वो तो बहुत शानदार कपड़े, his sense or her sense of dressing, for instance I'm talking, his or her mannerism, his tricks of speech, his or her taste in books, or music and movies. My friend, remember, don't do that. The way you dress, the way you speak, your taste in books, music, and art, all things should be entirely your own. Because it is the things you like to do, it is the things you believe, and the things you consider important, you consider precious, that give you a stamp of your own personality. Retain your originality. Copying will not help you at all to become a better person or improve your personality. My friend, have the courage of your conviction. Be yourself. You are just you. Remember that always, and be proud कि तुम जैसा कोई नहीं. There is nobody like you. Develop that fragrance in you. And don't worry. Like a flower, ऐसे फूल खुशबूदार होना चाहिए. हवा खुद ब खुद उड़ा ले जाएगी. If the flower have the fragrance, you don't have to do anything. The wind takes you miles away. Remember, my friend, finally I say, Gautam Buddha has said a very beautiful thing, that mind is everything. You become what you think. Just work upon it and see how your personality improves. Happy Father's Day. Thank you.